Why your car insurance is so expensive and how to fix it. Car insurance is a necessary expense for any vehicle owner, but many drivers are often left wondering why their premiums are so high. Understanding the factors that contribute to expensive car insurance can help you take proactive steps to lower your costs. In this article, we will explore the reasons behind high car insurance premiums and provide practical solutions to help you save money. Factors that contribute to high car insurance costs. 1. Your driving record. One of the biggest factors affecting your car insurance rates is your driving history. If you have a record of accidents, speeding tickets, or other traffic violations, insurance companies consider you a high-risk driver. The more infractions on your record, the higher your premium will be. Even minor infractions like running a red light can add up over time, leading to increased costs. How to fix it. Drive responsibly and obey traffic laws. Over time, violations and accidents will fall off your record, leading to lower insurance costs. Some insurers also offer defensive driving courses that can help reduce your rates. Additionally, consider telematics programs that track your driving habits and reward safe behavior. 2. Your location where you live has a significant impact on your insurance rates. If you reside in an area with high crime rates, dense traffic, or a high number of uninsured drivers, your premium will likely be higher. Urban areas generally have higher insurance costs due to increased risks of theft, vandalism, and accidents. How to fix it. While moving just to save on car insurance isn't practical, you can take measures to reduce risk, such as parking your car in a secure garage, installing an anti-theft system, or opting for comprehensive coverage to protect against theft and vandalism. 3. Your vehicle. Type luxury cars, sports cars, and vehicles with high repair costs tend to have higher insurance premiums. If your car model is commonly stolen, that can also drive up your rates. High-performance cars are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents, leading to increased insurance costs. How to fix it. Before purchasing a new car, research insurance costs for different models. Opt for a vehicle with good safety ratings, lower repair costs, and built-in security. Features. Vehicles with advanced safety features, such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warnings, can qualify for discounts. 4. Your coverage levels. The more comprehensive your insurance policy, the higher your premiums will be. While full coverage provides better financial protection, it may not always be necessary for older vehicles. How to fix it. Evaluate your coverage needs. If your car is older and has depreciated significantly, consider dropping comprehensive and collision coverage. Increasing your deductible can also lower your monthly payments, but ensure you can afford to pay the deductible in case of an accident. 5. Your credit score. Many insurance companies use credit scores to assess risk. A lower credit score may result in higher premiums. Insurers believe that individuals with poor credit are more likely to file claims, leading to increased costs. How to fix it. Work on improving your credit score by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and regularly checking your credit report for errors. Consider using credit monitoring services to stay on top of your financial health. 6. Your annual mileage. The more you drive, the higher your chances of being involved in an accident. Insurance companies charge higher premiums for drivers who log a high number of miles annually. How to fix it. If possible, reduce your driving by carpooling, using public transportation, or working from home. Some insurers offer pay-per-mile insurance programs that charge you based on the actual number of miles you drive. 7. Your age and experience. Young and inexperienced drivers generally pay more for car insurance due to their higher risk of accidents. Similarly, seniors may see increased rates due to potential declines in reaction time and vision. How to fix it. Young drivers can benefit from good student discounts, being added to a parent's policy, or taking defensive driving courses. Seniors can take refresher driving courses to prove they are still safe drivers and qualify for discounts. 8. Your gender and marital status. Statistically, young male drivers have higher accident rates than their female counterparts, leading to higher premiums. Married individuals often receive lower insurance rates because they are considered more responsible drivers. How to fix it? While you can't change your gender, getting married can sometimes lead to insurance savings. Additionally, maintaining a clean driving record can help offset higher premiums. How to lower your car? Insurance premiums. Now that we've covered the main factors that contribute to high car insurance costs, let's look at some actionable steps you can take to reduce your rates. 1. Shop around for better rates insurance companies. Vary in how they assess risk and set premiums. Get quotes from multiple insurers to find the best deal. Online comparison tools can help you quickly compare rates. 2. Bundle your policies. Many insurance companies offer discounts when you bundle your auto insurance with home, renters, or life insurance policies. This can lead to significant savings. 3. Take advantage of discounts. Ask your insurer about available discounts, such as safe driver discounts, low mileage discounts, multi-car discounts, or loyalty discounts. Many companies also offer savings for installing anti-theft devices. 4. Maintain a clean driving record. The longer you go without accidents or violations, the more you can save. Some insurers offer programs that reward safe driving habits with lower premiums. 5. Raise your deductible. If you can afford to pay a higher deductible in the event of a claim, increasing your deductible can significantly lower your monthly premiums. 6. Improve your credit score. Since credit scores influence insurance rates, working on your credit can help lower your costs over time. 7. Consider usage-based insurance. Some insurers offer usage-based programs that track your driving habits through a mobile app or device. Safe drivers who don't drive frequently may qualify for substantial discounts. 8. Avoid filing small claims. Filing multiple small claims can lead to increased premiums. If possible, pay for minor repairs out of pocket to avoid rate hikes. 9. Join an affinity group. Some insurers offer discounts to members of professional organizations, alumni associations, or certain employers. Check if you qualify for any group discounts. Final Thoughts car insurance can be expensive, but understanding what drives up costs and taking proactive steps can help you save money. By maintaining a clean driving record, improving your credit score, shopping for better rates, and taking advantage of available discounts, you can significantly reduce your car insurance premiums. Take control of your insurance costs today and start saving.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.